Marilyn, hurry up with the waters. Come on. These people need to eat. The goal, the first to finish 5 of the wrapped sausages wins the contest. All right, everybody got their waters?
Come on.
Sausages, anything like that?
Bring it the hell
I
on.
was kidding, I wasn't going to bring anything, I was just asking you. All right, are you ready?
Let's do this
Hands
shit.
off the table.
No hands on the damn table. What the
table?
Dude, really?
When I say go, you guys get to start. And do not make a mess and no throwing up. I'm going to just say that. On your mark. Well, you can throw up outside, but not here. On your mark.
You do need more beer, you're right.
Get set. Shh. Focus. Go.
Come on, man. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. This is going to be really fucking bad. Oh, my God.
Just shove it out.
Oh, my God.
Sweet sausage, limb sausages.
Megan, shut up!
From Italy with a little bit of sriracha sauce and a pound of ice cream.
Oh, shit.
What are you doing? Is she already? How many has she eaten?
Paige is killing it.
2? Are you serious? Oh my God.
What the hell?
Paige wants it.
Paige wants it.
Someone's boyfriend's been gone.
Paige wants it and Leonard's got it.
Yeah, that's Harry's boyfriend.
Wow.
Right, what are you doing? Come
He's gonna be so proud. Paige, let's go.
I'm
gonna call dinner right after this. Come on, Paige.
Such a great sight. Seeing our staff chowing sausage.
But then if you win, I'm gonna.
You got it, Paige. You got it. Yeah. Like super.
Paige is up 2.
Yes.
We're down 2. How
Yeah,
did you
she's
say?
on her third.
She's on her 3rd.
Oh, my gosh. Who the hell?
What's up, guys? Come on, guys.
Let's go, Paige.
That's impossible.
Oh, my God.
She is focused. Look at this. Oh my
Oh
God.
my-
The determination on her face.
Holy shoot.
Phenomenal. I cannot believe it.
Whoa. What the fuck, man?
Breathe.
This is dedicated to the All Ireland Cultural Society. You got this shit.
Try it.
Oh,
You're catching up.
There's some sriracha.
Come on, Paige. You're catching up. Let's go, Paige.
Paige, let's see how.
Come on, Ed.
Oh my God, I'm so proud of you right now. You're killing it.
Andrew would already be 5 by now.
oh shit.
Oh, yeah, where's Andrew? Oh, dude. You want to jump in now? I mean, you might catch up.
Then I'll make a sad face because he's goddamn failing.
Andrew wins every
And that's what I'm trying.
Are you fucking kidding?
They're only doing 5. There's plenty for everybody.
Megan, water. More water. I'll get you one.
Come on, Paige.
Who's winning?
Not me.
Oh shit, really?
Is that 4?
Oh my god, oh my god.
Oh, he's on 4.
Holy shit!
Lennon, you're not man enough to do this. You can't do it, Lennon. You can't do it.
Wow.
Lennon, you can't do it. Don't do it.
You
Paige,
know
I
what? He's
believe in
got
you,
the
Paige.
jaw strength to
I
do
believe
it.
in you, Paige. Come on,
That's what it
Paige.
takes, jaw strength.
Come on.
I don't know, Paige looks like she's fading.
Wait, no,
Paige is fading.
go listen to him. If Paige wins, then Paige really
Lennon loses in everything. Let's go.
Come on.
What the hell?
Let me tell you right now, let's go right there.
Anyone who doesn't
Come the fuck on, are you serious?
It works it down. It works it down. Paige,
I was going to ask you to be in it, but you're bartending. If you were bartending, I would have told you because you always win at eating contests. I'm just here for the winners.
Say, aw.
this is just a Paige, we can't be friends anymore.
Jealous.
I'm going outside after this.
Don't fucking throw it up, man. You're gonna get disqualified.
Let's go.
You gotta keep that shit down, man.
We should have let you work here. You need to sit like 60 feet away from each other.
As long as you're off the clock, okay.
You have to clock, yeah. Clock off first.
Paige is almost done with 4.
Keep that shit down, man. Oh my god.
She's killing me. I'm
Oh, this is cutthroat right here.
Paige, you got this.
Come on, buddy.
Maryland, you need a beer. I don't know what it is. Slacking.
There's a girl with the fuzzy hair.
Real competition.
I'm not. Eating contest?
That is, Paige has passed me by.
You got it, Paige. You got it, girl.
Come on, Paige! Eating. Come on, Paige! So much faith in you. So he said.
All right, we're finishing up right now, guys. We're on number 5 for two contestants.
Oh,
the first
shit.
bite on number 5. Taken by Lynn.
Oh, fuck.
First bite.
Who the hell's on number 5?
Oh, the Johnson's starting to get tight.
Oh, shit, man.
Come on, Paige. Take that bite.
You got this, boo! You got
You can do this, Paige.
Paige! Come on, Paige!
Get him, Paige. Get him.
Paige, you are Paige.
Let him know what's
Paige, 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 Paige.
Next time the champion is down in the champion, he's on number 5. I'm totally impressed you got 4. Hey,
Oh,
one.
suck it up.
Here we go. Final steps. Here we
Final
go.
fucking stress. Let's do this shit.
Focus.
Oh, my God.
Try one.
Why? Why are you helping her out right now?
Sauerkraut. Sauerkraut's great on me.
I know fucking cheating.
Yes, I don't know about that.
This is Aaron, just how I normally eat too. I'm just a disgusting individual.
What the fuck, man?
Yeah, you want some warm mayonnaise on there?
I'll take it. Go again.
Yeah, that's sped him up, Sandy. That's sped him up.
You're just encouraging him. You're just encouraging him.
Oh, my
Oh,
God.
God. We're going to put it in the microwave.
Oh, my
I
God.
think
What
Lennon
the
has one
fuck?
more bite, and he's going to be down as soon as he's down.
Paige, don't listen to that negativity, okay? You got it. You got this, Paige.
Paige's cone had that shit.
That's what I thought Lenny was going to do.
You got this, Paige.
Put it in your bra. We
Have
want
you ever seen mayonnaise that goes in the microwave? You know what happens to it?
No, what happens to it?
Did you just win?
Does it really?
Don't fucking. I know.
I'm glad to see you go.
He's got to swallow it.
Swallow that shit, man.
Oh, you out!
And I'm going to leave the joke out.
Why did I always
Oh, shit.
Oh, my God. We have a winner.
fucking-
Good job, sausages. That's amazing. And a close second. Good job to everyone.
He's like, yeah, I just won.
Oh, my God. What the fuck? Yeah! Wow, that was it.